We are sketching a graph of the following quadratic equation. X squared minus 6x minus 16. And our first step would be, let's find y and x intercepts. Y-intercept, so y-intercept, we have x equals 0. And then crosses the y-axis, x will be equal to 0. Therefore, f of 0, which is our y-axis, is equal to 0 squared minus 6 times 0 minus 16. That gives us minus 16. Okay, so all we're doing is substituting x equals to 0 into our equation. This now gives us a point of 0 minus 16 for our y-intercept. For our x-intercept, so x-intercept, that's when our y, or our f of x, is equal to 0. So our equation becomes x squared minus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. We need to solve this for x, and we need to first of all factorize the equation. So let's look at the following. Now, what two factors, when we multiply them together, are going to give us negative 16? There we go. So minus 8 times 2, that's going to give us minus 16, which is what we want. Now, when we add these two numbers together now, so minus 8 plus 2 gives us minus 6, which is what we want, because that has to be equal to that minus 6 in the equation. So our factors, if we continue here, are going to be x minus 8, x plus 2 equal to 0. Factorize the equation. Now we can say that x minus 8 equals to 0, and x plus 2 is equal to 0. This now gives us x equal to 8. This side is positive, and for this one, x becomes negative 2 over here, negative 2. So therefore, our points on the graph, in other words, our x-intercepts, are point 8, 0, and negative 2, yes, 0. So now, there's only one more thing we need to work out, and that is our turning point. Because we have a positive x squared, it's going to mean that our graph is going to look like that. We also know that the x value of our turning point is equal to minus b over 2a. Now, our b value from our equation is -6. Our a value from our equation is 1. Therefore, x equals minus, brackets will put -6, note that our 2 contains 1, which gives us 6 over 2, which equals 3. Our y value of our turning point is equal to, we'll substitute x equals 3 into our equation, and we get 4 squared plus 6 times 3 minus 16, which equals 9 minus 18 minus 16, which equals minus 10. Therefore, the turning point is at 3 minus 24. In other words, our turning point is the middle point between these points. Okay. So now we need to sketch the graph. Now I have drawn y-axis, or in our case here f of x, and our x-axis. Now we've worked out all our points, and the x-intercepts, there's one there at -2, 0, and on this side 3, 0. Sorry, 8, 0. Our middle point, or our turning point I should say, is at 3, -25. And here is our y-intercept at 0, -60. So now we're able to sketch our graph, and it's possible turning there, through the